Welcome! If you've noticed that your Snapchat silent notifications don't make a sound and you'd like to change that, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the updated step-by-step process so you can quickly set a custom sound for those silent alerts. Let's jump straight in. First, unlock your phone and head over to your settings. This is where all the app-specific controls are found. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. From the list, find and tap on Snapchat. This will open the app-specific information and settings. Once you're inside Snapchat settings, tap on Notifications. This is where all the different types of alerts for the app are managed. Now, select notification categories. You'll notice different sections for different types of alerts within Snapchat. Under the General section, find and tap on Silent Notifications. These are the notifications that usually appear without a sound, but we're going to change that. Inside Silent Notifications, tap on Sound. You'll be given a selection of notification sounds from your phone's library. Browse through and choose the one you want Snapchat to play whenever a silent notification comes in. After selecting the sound, simply go back, and your choice will be saved automatically. From now on, anytime you get a silent notification from Snapchat, your phone will play the sound you've chosen, so you won't miss any alerts even if they were previously meant to be silent. And that's it. Just a few quick steps, and you've customized your Snapchat silent notifications sound to match your preference. This small change can make a big difference if you don't want to miss important messages or snaps. If you found this guide helpful, remember to keep your apps updated and check your notification settings every now and then, as software updates can sometimes reset or change them. Enjoy your new custom sound for Snapchat silent notifications and stay on top of every alert.